Looking for the best dishwasher of 2026? Whether you need powerful cleaning, whisper quiet operation, energy efficiency, or smart features, choosing the right dishwasher can make your kitchen routine easier than ever. In this video, we've rounded up the best dishwashers you can buy right now to help you find the perfect model for your home and budget. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Dream DZ601 Pro. The Dream built-in dishwasher features a sleek stainless steel design with dimensions of 22.6-inch x 23.54 x 33.66 h, making it an ideal addition to modern kitchens. With a capacity of 16 place settings, it includes a triple rack system and an adjustable upper basket for flexible loading, perfect for family gatherings or parties. The dishwasher boasts advanced cleaning technology, including the 360 degrees HydroFlow wash system for multidimensional high-pressure cleaning and an auto-door open drying feature that ensures spotless, odor-free dishes. Additionally, it offers a 15-day fresh storage option with a cool air fan to keep the interior dry and fresh even after extended breaks. Special features include a child-proof lock, cycle status indicator, and touch controls, all operating at a low noise level of 44 dB. Included components such as an adapter, cutlery basket, dispenser, and drying system enhance its functionality, making it a comprehensive solution for efficient dishwashing. Number 2. Miele 18-inch built-in dishwasher. The Miele built-in dishwasher features a slimline design ideal for under-counter installation, measuring 22.6 inches deep, 17.6 inches wide, and 32.4 inches high, making it easy to fit in tight spaces while accommodating larger dishes, pots, and pans up to 11 inches in height. With a digital control panel and LED display, this stainless steel appliance offers an 8-place settings capacity and includes adjustable legs for flexible interior loading. It provides 6 washing programs: heavy, normal, ECO, delicate, quick, and rinse, along with 3 additional functions: heated dry, high temp, and sanitize, ensuring it meets a variety of cleaning needs. The smart dishwasher's heated dry feature guarantees optimal drying performance without the need for towel drying, while the HI Temp Hygiene wash cycle maintains water temperatures up to 136 degrees Fahrenheit 58 degrees Celsius to effectively clean heavily soiled dishes, including baby bottles and children's dinner sets. The noise level is a manageable 52 dB, and the unit comes with a user manual for easy operation. Number 3. Haver Countertop Dishwasher. The Haver Countertop Dishwasher is a compact and portable appliance that requires no installation, making it ideal for small living spaces such as apartments, dorms, boats, and RVs. With dimensions of 16.8-inch x 16.7 x 18h and a capacity of 5 liters, it can accommodate over 30 pieces of kitchenware at once, including up to 4 full-place settings and dishes up to 11 inches in diameter. The dishwasher offers 6 program options: normal, speed, soft, heavy, baby care, fruit, and dry modes, ensuring versatile cleaning for various dishwashing needs. It features 14 water ports for comprehensive 360 degrees cleaning coverage and uses only 5 liters of water per wash cycle, significantly reducing water consumption compared to hand washing. The appliance operates at 950 W and includes a built-in water tank or can be connected to a faucet using an included hose. Additionally, it has a heavy, baby care mode that operates at 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough cleaning of baby products and oily dishes, along with a drying function that provides 60 minutes of hot air drying. Each unit undergoes rigorous quality control testing, and Haver encourages customers to reach out with any questions for assistance. Number 4. Sharp Built-in Dishwasher. The Sharp Built-in Dishwasher is designed for optimal performance and convenience, featuring a sleek stainless steel finish that is fingerprint resistant. With dimensions of 24.5-inch x 23.88 x 33.88 h, it operates at a whisper-quiet noise level of 42 dBA, making it ideal for maintaining a peaceful kitchen environment. This model includes advanced features such as a deep third rack specifically designed for flatware and cooking utensils, and it offers smart controls that are compatible with Amazon Alexa for voice operation. The dishwasher is equipped with a power wash sprayer that effectively targets heavily soiled items and provides 6 wash cycles along with 7 options for customized cleaning. Additionally, it boasts bright LED interior lighting and a heated dry option to ensure that dishes come out completely dry after each cycle. Number 5. Zline Autograph. The Zline Kitchen and Bath Autograph Edition Talax Series dishwasher is a built-in model designed for efficiency and style, featuring dimensions of 21.75 inch dx 23.5 wx 33.75 h. It boasts a stunning stainless steel finish complemented by a chic champagne bronze handle, making it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. This dishwasher operates at a noise level of 51 dB and includes adjustable features for enhanced usability. It offers multiple wash cycles, including a quick 50-minute super mode that ensures energy efficiency while effectively cleaning soiled dishes. Notable features include an auto door open drying system that releases steam and circulates fresh air, a customizable third rack for organizing flatware, and specialized intensive modes for heavily soiled items. Additionally, the smart wash technology intelligently assesses the load to optimize water usage, consuming only 3.4 gallons per cycle. With its professional-grade 304 stainless steel construction, this dishwasher combines engineering excellence with practical functionality. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect dishwasher for your kitchen. If you're interested in any of the models featured in this video, all the product links are available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home appliance reviews, buying guides, and the latest product recommendations. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.